If you're driving a carburetor-fed Toyota, this kit will help you make sure your fuel system is running the way it should be. The kit consists of a low-pressure fuel gauge, a T-fitting, and an NPT plug. Install the T-fitting in line before the carb, but after the fuel pressure regulator, if you have one, or after the fuel pump. Don't forget to slide your hose clamps on the line first. Thread the NPT plug into the port on the T-fitting when the gauge is not in use. When ready to test the pressure, simply remove the plug and thread the gauge in. It is recommended that you do not leave the gauge installed under hood, as the heat and vibration from the engine could cause it to fail prematurely if left in full time. We also offer a more robust liquid-filled gauge. Get kits like this and more from your trusted source for your Toyota since 1985. LC Engineering Performance Toyota.